Hey everyone, this is Joe in General, your resident reason and evidence enthusiast. It is Wednesday the 31st of May, 2017. Will the price of Ethereum blow up within the next 2 hours and proceeding from there? Now, my weekly Bitcoin price analysis update will come a little bit later today, but I wanted to share this little bit of info with you now. I'm a little bit late to the party with this information. There have been some other people talking about it already, but my usual thing, I woke up not long ago, and I do two things. I check my crypto balance, see what's been happening overnight, and I check my YouTube channel, see how many subscribers I've received, and I check my own subscriptions. And I subscribe to JSNP4. If you don't subscribe to JSNP4, I suggest that you do. But he was talking about Ethereum and China. Now, he had a tip-off from somebody else. I think the news has been out there for maybe a day or so, but it's sort of blowing up now about China and Ethereum. If we go over to this article here, and I'll put a link to it below, China's biggest exchanges to add Ethereum, other altcoins as demand surges, and in particular here, Huobi to support altcoins. 2 days ago, one of the big three exchanges in China, Huobi, that's the name of the exchange, announced it will launch Ethereum trading on May 31st. The announcement reads, "We are excited to announce the CNY ETH pairing will be listed on our exchanges. Trading will start at 12 o'clock, that's midday, May 31st, GMT +8 time." Now, the time in China right now, and the day and time, is Wednesday the 31st, and it's nearly 10:30 a.m., so that's less than 2 hours, just a little bit over an hour and a half until Huobi, one of the biggest Chinese exchanges, launches Ethereum trading on its platform. So I think what you're going to see, and a lot of other people have been talking about this, you may see some large price action occur preceding that. The price has already risen a little bit as part of this news, but we may see some larger price rises as we get closer to that midday time within the next hour and a half or so. And we'll see what happens from there, whether a lot of people do some profit taking not long after it launches. But I think most people will probably see where the price goes from there within the first, I guess, couple of hours after it starts trading on the Huobi exchange. So this might be a time, if you are trading in cryptocurrencies, if you do not own some Ethereum, I highly suggest you should be getting some Ethereum anyway. And if you do have some spare Bitcoin or some spare dollars, you might consider, and of course this is not financial advice, and do your own research, you might consider buying a little bit more Ethereum now, and then maybe just trading this over maybe a day or two. What I've also learned is that another exchange will be listing Ethereum as well. That's OKCoin. It's another massive Chinese exchange. It's OKCoin here. That's listed on bitcoinwisdom.com, their Bitcoin price. So OKCoin will be listing Ethereum as well on June the 1st. I don't know exactly what time that's going to be, but apparently June 1st, OKCoin will be listing Ethereum. And of course, as I mentioned, Huobi is listing today. In the next hour and a half, it will be going live. So the price of Ethereum could be going higher in the short term. How high, I don't know. But if you want to do a bit of a day trading thing, I am certainly going to do that. I bought approximately I had about 1 Bitcoin worth sitting in my account, just sitting there waiting for an opportunity such as this. So I bought an extra Bitcoin's worth of Ethereum, and we're going to see what happens with the price. Now, something else I want to talk about, a lot of people who have been reading this article may not go all the way down here, but what it shares is Huobi have come up with a report, and it's listing in a rank order what they feel are the best coins to get into, and they said they are going to start listing these coins in order of importance, and it's from top going down. So obviously this is the article here, and I'll put a link to that as well. It is in Cantonese or Mandarin. You don't say Chinese because it's not Chinese. It's listed here, and obviously they already list Bitcoin, and they are now doing Ethereum as of about an hour and a half from now, and going down from here. So they're going to next, and when they are going to list them, we don't know, but their next one, they'll list Litecoin, then Ripple, Dash, Zcash, Doge, Monero, MadeSafeCoin. That was a weird one, I thought. Decred, Steem. Now this one here, Ethereum Classic. They're going to release Ethereum Classic eventually. And interestingly, with Ethereum Classic, that's going to be listed on BTCC. We don't know exactly when, but that's going to be listed, I think, probably a lot sooner than Huobi's going to list it. ETCC, or Ethereum Classic, is, as the name suggests, it's Ethereum Classic. Ether, split into two. You've got Ethereum and you've got Ethereum Classic. And so the boss of BTCC.com did a Twitter poll, and after about 2 weeks, it says here, this is Bobby Lee, after 2 weeks, 3 rounds of polling, and after over 190,000 people voted, we now have a winner in the battle of digital currencies. Ethereum Classic will list on BTCC. That is another one of the large Chinese exchanges. So you may consider what the price is here of ETC. You may consider putting in an order for Ethereum Classic as well. But look, if you want to play it safe, just get some Ethereum. Again, if you don't own Ethereum yet and you're into the cryptos, you're crazy and you need to buy some Ethereum. Or again, get some spare BTC and chuck it into Ethereum for a day trading play over the next, hour and a half and maybe the next 24 hours, see where the price goes. Or, if you've got some other currencies, and I'm not telling you to do this, if you have some other currencies that you've got a little bit of profit in, or you're kind of breaking even, or you're kind of a little bit under your profit margin, you haven't broken even yet, maybe consider getting out of those and getting into Ethereum for a day trading scenario, and then getting out and then getting back into your other alts that you're confident are going to go higher in the future. So again, I'll put a link to this article here, and I'll put a link to this report as well. I'll put it in the info section of my YouTube page, and I'll also put it as a pinned comment. As mentioned, my weekly Bitcoin price analysis will be come a little bit later today. And that's it, guys. Let's see where the price of Ethereum goes within the next hour and a half and within the next 24 to 48 hours. Thanks very much. Stay safe, stay informed. Speak soon.